Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Goran Guitar. We have Four of Spades, and this song is called Konsensya. I think Four of Spades, they are Thai, from Thailand. I'm not sure. They've been in before. Sorry if I'm mistaken. I should know that by now. Anyway, cool song, Konsensya. I know there are many fans from maybe Thailand or all over the world. Four spades, they're popular, so let's go into this one. Best scenario for us is to use a capo on this 5th fret. That is how they do in the music video. So we're gonna just follow them and let's go through the chords. So we're gonna start with E first. So that will be open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be the G sharp minor. And that's a bar. You place the index finger on this 4th fret, you push down all strings there. Then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. And we move on to this F sharp minor into the pre-chorus area. So you take the very same grip as this G sharp and just push it 2 frets away from you. So you land on the 2nd fret with the index finger, push down all strings there. Then 4th A and 4th D added. Then we have the B chord. That is bar chord as well. So you place the index finger still on the 2nd fret. You don't need this last E string this time, so just 5 strings below. And then you have this 4th D, 4th G, and 4th B. If you want, you can also place a bar in front, like pushing down the D string and down, and then stay away from the last E string when you do the strumming. It's up to you. That's the B chord. Now, D, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 2nd E. Then we have the final chord, and that's the A minor. And that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Yes, so there we have the chords. Now let's learn the strumming pattern. If you go back to the first E chord, we have a strumming pattern of down, up, 4 times. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And I like to highlight the 3rd down. That means the down, up. That's it's the 3rd in place here. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so I do that in the same way that I do many other times. I go down on the higher strings and play that down there. And everything else I play on the bass string. So down, up, 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 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, hope that makes sense. If it's too much for you, just play 4 down ups, and that is 1 strumming around. Now let's go into actual song. Start with the first verse. We have E, 4 string rounds, and then G sharp minor, 4 string rounds, and that's it. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, back and forth. So E4, G4, E4, G4. So. That is 1 round, you play 2 rounds, and that is the first verse. Now into this first pre-chorus at 45 seconds in. And this one is played F sharp minor 4 and B4 for only 1 round. And that's it. Then over to this first chorus at 55 seconds in. And yes, we're gonna play E4, G sharp minor 4, F sharp minor 4, and A minor 4. Play for only 1 round like this. And then you play an instrumental part right after this first chorus. You just stay on that E for 4 string rounds, and that's it. That's the first round, guys. Now into the second round of everything. It's just repetition, verse, pre-chorus, and chorus. Actually, the pre-chorus is a little bit different there. We're gonna start with F sharp, 4 string rounds, and instead of playing the B, you're gonna play the D chord instead for 4 string rounds. And then chorus, the second one, is played exactly in the same way as the first one. After that second chorus comes the bridge part. We're now about 2 minutes and 10 seconds in. What you're going to play here is E, 4 string rounds, G sharp, 4, F sharp minor, 4, and A minor, 8. Okay, so double up there, 8 rounds plus 1 extra down and the pause. So that is the bridge part. And after that comes an instrumental part slash outro. It's a combined thing here. What you're going to do first is to play 1 round on the chorus play, exactly the same way as you played the previous choruses. And then you're going to end with 1 round on that bridge play we just learned, E, G sharp, F sharp, A minor. And that, my friends, is the end of the 4 of Spades song called Konsensya. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, feel free to support me here on Going Guitar. Check out my cool guitar here as well I'm using from Anchor Guitars. It's the Eagle model. And you can get a 10% off using my coupon code GordonGuitar10. So check this one out. Very affordable, great guitar. So yes, hope to see you soon, guys. Until next time, play tuned.